I've got everything that I wanted. सस्ता कुछ नहीं है भाई, आप लोग पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठ जाओ। मम्मा के लिए शॉपिंग कर ली मैंने थोड़ी बहुत। लव अ गर्ल, आई वाज लाइक वाओ, आई नीड टू लाइक टेक अ ब्रेक। अगर मैं 2 वीक बाद दिखूं फिर से कोई हॉल करते हुए तो स्टील। Hey yo, केम छो guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video where you guys are gonna watch me spend all my money. You all know that I recently traveled to London and मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा shopping की है because there's so much. First of all, this Bicester Village shops that I don't get in India, so I have shopped a lot. And I'm gonna quickly show you guys everything that I've shopped category wise because मैंने हर category, मैंने एक भी category नहीं छोड़ी है, मैंने हर category में कुछ ना कुछ लिया हुआ है. So let's get started. My dad is not happy with the shopping, he says, because the amount is huge. So the first category we're gonna start with is footwear, shoes, everything that I've got. First, I have these. So these were on sale and they were on a really good price. So मैंने ये ले लिया, मैं जिम में पहन लूँगी. I got 2 New Balance के shoes. I don't even have 1 New Balance. So this is one that I've got, which is silver and थोड़ा olive green detailing है, which I like. So this is one and the other one, they're so cute. It's pink and ये थोड़े महंगे हैं, but look at the color. So cute, so cute. So yes, I got this. All the prices will be mentioned here because I don't remember anything. Oh, then I got these On Cloud के shoes, which I've heard a lot. They are really good, really comfortable, feels like nothing, and I ended up wearing it there. And I chose the very right place to wear white shoes because मैंने इसको already बिगाड़ दिया है. मुझे इसको dry cleaning या पता नहीं कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा because they are already dirty. ये मैंने Highlands में पहना था जहाँ पे सब मिट्टी विट्टी बारिश वारिश सब था. Imagine guys, these are very nice, white color. Then इसको मैं कैसे फिट करके लाई हूँ in my luggage, I don't know, but I really liked this cowboy style boots and मुझे ऐसे बहुत टाइम से चाहिए थे और मेरे जो भी boots मैं पहनती हूँ वो मैं घिस चुकी हूँ. So I picked this. It was from some brand that I shopped a lot from. I don't remember. I got these Coach के shoes. They are so cute. I love the color combo. I love that there are 2 laces. ये मैंने outlet mall से लिया था and मुझे मेरी size में मिल गया. So it's nice. It's fabric and little of suede velvet feel and color and all कितना अच्छा है. So the last in footwear is this. In fact, this is the first footwear that I bought. It's from Givenchy and these are very nice flats. मैंने ये भी पहने थे मेरी ट्रिप पे. मैंने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने शॉप की वहाँ पे मैंने पहन ली थी because why not? That was the purpose of me shopping on day 1. So मैंने ये पहन लिए. Comfort, I wouldn't say expense. Yes, comfort, no. But I love the classy look it has and very nice black and white feel. I don't know why I've picked socks. ये मैंने पूरा एक जंक ऑफ सॉक्स उठाया है. आई डोंट थिंक इंडिया में ये पेस्टल कलर के नाइकी के सॉक्स मिलते हैं. सो आई वाज लाइक आई कैन यूज इट अगेन फॉर माय जिम. एंड दीज सॉक्स भी महंगे भाई, मतलब प्राइस मेरे को मत पूछो. But I loved what it said, like hot girls lift weights and I'm gonna wear it to my gym. That is why I got socks. It's so funny, I'm buying socks. Now, since we are talking about gym, I got a few gym wear. भाई मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई है. This is from Elo brand. I really wanted a set from this brand, so I got this shorts and matching sports bra and a matching jacket, which has a hoodie and it's like a fitted jacket. I really liked it. और यहाँ पे पता नहीं जो दिन हम गए थे शॉप में, luckily there was some discount. I think there was something going on, so there was like on the whole store I think 20 or 30% off था. So I was like steal. Surprisingly, I went to Primark and मुझे Primark में I found this romper, which is like a gym romper. भाई, I wore it, I tried it on. It is so good. The material is so good. I was shocked. ये बहुत सस्ता होगा, मतलब 2000 सस्ता कुछ नहीं है. Anyway, it's this very cute romper. I am very excited to wear this. प्राइमार्क में सबसे छोटी साइज जो वो मुझे फिट हो रही थी, मुझे एस भी फिट नहीं हो रहा था. लाइक देयर वाज सम साइजिंग थिंग, बट आई रियली लव दिस. आई ट्राइड इट, लुक्ड वेरी क्यूट ऑन मी. सो फिर मैं जब दूसरी बार गई, मैंने एक और सेट उठा लिया, दिस ब्राउन सेट अगेन विथ लाइक अ वाइट डिटेलिंग विद द शॉर्ट्स. सो इट्स काइंडा क्यूट. ये तो मैं ऐसे ही पहन लूँगी यार, जिम विम में तो ऐसे ही यूज़ हो जाएगा मेरा. देन फुट लॉकर में ऑल्सो आई वेंट एंड आई गॉट this Nike sports bra. I like the silver detailing it had, so मैंने ये ले लिया. Then this was from TK Maxx. I got this two sports bra of New Balance, and they were at, I don't know, they were at a combination price like that. So sports bra तो ऐसे इधर उधर हो जाएगी, टैंक टॉप की तरह भी मैं यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. Again this Nike fitted jacket from Foot Locker I got. Brown hair, so I am gonna use it a lot, so there's no tension. Then from Foot Locker I also got this New Balance का hoodie. This was not at discount or anything, but हमने ले लिया because हमें अच्छा लगा, color style सब कुछ अच्छा लगा, so I got it. Okay, now moving on to bottoms. Surprisingly, I got a few. I was not expecting मुझे bottoms मिल जाए, because bottoms मुझे बहुत rarely पसंद आता है. But there's mix of a lot of brands, so I'll just keep naming it here because I got this very random denim feel shorts, but it's not denim, it's cotton, it's a hot short. So, yeah, I got these pants with this scarf look. It's nice linen feel जैसा pants, and I don't have this color, I don't have this style, so I got this. Also got a denim because भाई ये पहना मैंने and it was literally my length. Because I'm petite, because I'm short, मुझे मेरी length के denim मिलते नहीं हैं easily. और मैंने just because of the length fits perfectly, I bought it. And it was a nice baggy style pants. So it's plain and simple, but it has a very nice balloon sort of feel. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैंने ले लिया. Then I have this simple denim shorts, casual. Again another striped shorts. ये सब ना बीच बीच पे काम आ जाएगा. So now this is from Miu Miu, but I got it from TK Maxx at a really good price, and it's a really cute skirt. Like look at the color, look at the rhinestone, look at this detailing. I love it. You all can see it. यहाँ पे it says Miu Miu. It's like original piece, but I got it at a good price. I got these again simple shorts, basic skirt which is like olive green and pull and bear का था. Again TK Maxx. You get like Bershka, Pull and Bear, Zara. ये तो बहुत easily मिल जाता है. But when you are in like luck, you also get like Juicy Couture, things like that. I got this again casual shorts, and then I realized this matches with my New Balance jacket. Like wow. This was a very cute shop in Portobello in Notting Hill, and I got this cute तो नहीं बोल सकती, it's very sexy actually, animal print skirt with I don't know, nice detailing. I loved it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये तो मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया, मैंने ऐसे ही उठा लिया. Then I got these balloon style pants. These are very much in trend right now. ये technically मेरे से एक बड़ा size है, but I really liked it, and it's anyway baggy style, so it is gonna look good on me. Love the material, love everything. Bhai, these pants, okay, I got from Primark, and I wore it for a party. We were just going for a party. I'll put a picture here. They looked so good. Material, I wouldn't say it's great, but it has like a drape thing here, and it's completely like a mesh pant, but it gives like a very nice look. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I also got this track pants for my mom. My mom really wanted track pants because she wears it. So I got this, and it's very soft and nice. I loved it. I should have got it for myself also, but ठीक है. There is so much भाई, आप लोग पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठ जाओ, ये तो क्या है. Now moving on, jackets. So this first jacket that I got, this one is for my mom because she likes such, and it has this bling, and it is a denim jacket. I love this bling effect because ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can wear it casually or even for a party. So this. Then I got this. It was in some nice discount price, and it was a new store जिसमें हम गए थे. So I love the color. I love the feel. Now this jacket this is a denim jacket, right? But you see the brand. I got it from TK Maxx again. ये जो last day पे मैंने TK Maxx से चीज़ें उठाई है ना, मेरे पास luggage I think बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. फिर भी I I think yeah, jackets मैंने 3-4 ही लिए थे because जगह नहीं थी मेरे बैग में. I also got sweatshirt which is nice pink color. It's from Adidas and this was on some special price. But I love the color. I love the feel. मुंबई में तो पहन नहीं पाऊंगी but जहाँ पहन पाऊँ वहाँ पहन लूँगी मैं. Then we have tops. Too many tops. I got this basic. Again, this was in set. इसके साथ एक pastel yellow color भी है जो जीविका के पास है because she was leaving and she wanted to wear a top. So I gave it to her. Anyway, this I got. It is a nice basic soft material top. So I picked it up. This that I'm wearing right now is also something that I got from there. It's from the brand Addicted. And वहाँ पे एकदम cute, trendy, Gen Z stuff है. Other top that I got from the same brand is this olive green which has like a cute bralette detail cowl detail top, and this is I would say like a dress for me, but I think it's a top which I've got. I like the print color combo. This is also from the same brand. I love the detail. I wore this top with that pant that I was talking about. It looked like a complete outfit. It looked so good. Then I have all these cute basic baby tees. This because of the detailing I picked it up. मैंने कुछ चीज़ें तो try भी नहीं की, मैंने ऐसे ही उठा ली थी. Again, this is a basic black top but with this lace detail for my mom. मम्मी के लिए shopping कर ली मैंने थोड़ी बहुत इस बार. These baby tees इसमें bonjour लिखा हुआ है. Then I got this don't be jealous. ऐसी baby tees तो मैं बहुत पहनती हूँ तो मैंने ऐसे ही उठा लिए हैं. There's one more. Love a girl. Me. I am. मिल नहीं रहा बस. Then I got this. It is so cute. इस पे ऐसे bikini सूख रही है. I love it. I also got this. This is Devil Wears Prada का the iconic slogan that she says. Please bore someone else with your questions. I watched a musical वहाँ पे, so I just picked it up as a thing. Then I got this T-shirt which has like a ruched waist पे detailing. I like it. This T-shirt जो मैंने जीविका और दिशा हम लोग literally same ले लिया from the outlet store and I liked it. मेरे को देख के ही पहले ही पसंद आया and then हम तीनों ने same ले लिया from different sizes, same T-shirt. Then I got this simple black, not really simple but yeah, corset which has a shiny feel. तो मुझे fabric बहुत अच्छा लगा. I got this cute white crop top. I keep using them a lot. So I got that. Then I got this very different color for me. Like it's kind of olive green or yellow का कुछ mix. So I got this. I also got a shirt. Surprisingly, it's just a nice basic striped shirt, but it has like red stripes और padding भी है and you can cinch it like tight at the waist, which is a good thing. From that cute store in Portobello, I also got this hoodie, corset, backless cropped hoodie. It's mixed. I really liked it. थोड़ा color वाला अच्छा लगा मुझे, style अच्छी लगी, so I picked it up. I also got this mesh bodysuit, which is from Zara. I know I can style it in nice different ways, so I also got a few loungewear. पता नहीं मैं loungewear shopping क्यों कर रही थी. This is a very cute romper that I got again from Primark, but it is so cute. भाई, so cute. I also got like a set जो मैंने बहुत पहन लिया उधर. This is the top and with it this has shorts. Then I also got, I don't know, I can wear it as a dress, I can wear it as a top, I can wear it in multiple ways. This is like a lacy black, very nice. ये double XS दिया है मैंने literally for me to fit in like double XS. I can't imagine. Very similar to that, I got this top which I can again use it as a top, loungewear, however I want. I also got these cute shorts. जिसमें shorts जैसा कुछ है नहीं, but ठीक है. Then I also got a few bikini tops which I can style it in multiple ways. So there's this one blue striped, there is this one studded white top, and this Brazil ka color combo. I really liked it. I know I can like style it with a tank top and all. इससे sneak peek होगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Then I also got a few sports bra, not really a sports bra, but yeah, from CK, like a whole set. I don't know why I picked this, but I got this Tomica. It's like a nice colored sports. Again, I got this with the point of view that I'll style it with like layering it with tank tops and all. Now, my favorite category is bags. My most favorite bag is this प्राडा विच आई रियली वॉन्टेड. मैं ये लास्ट ईयर जब इटली में थी और वहाँ पे मैंने देखा था और मैंने ये नहीं लिया और मैंने दूसरी बैग ले लिया और मेरे को ये हॉन्ट कर रही थी बैग. एंड आई वाज जस्ट होपिंग दैट आई गेट इट in this outlet mall, and I got it because it is like completely non-leather. I was like, even the strap, everything is so non-leather, so I really wanted this. Let me show you all the black bags I got. This is like a nice छोटा सा pouch bag. Pouch नहीं बोल सकती यार, मैंने insult कर दिया bag का. Bag from Vivienne Westwood. This is again vegan leather. I was like, wow, steel. I got this bag from Burberry. This is like a tote bag. मेरे पास simple tote bags है नहीं बड़ी bags. And I love the fact that it has the whole branding inside and थोड़ा sneak peek होता है. I love it. Like if you see it here as well, and it has very subtle. I like such subtle branding. Then I got this Fendi bag. I love such small bags. तो मैंने ये ले लिया and it has the iconic Fendi print. Everyone's favorite. This is everyone's favorite. I got this bag from Miu Miu and it has this multiple sections which I really like. It's such a different bag and it's a neutral color. It goes with everything. In the similar color, I got this Tory Burch ka bag. It is nice. I like the shape, size, everything. Again, the color is nice. Printing बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. और टोरी बुर्च का मैंने एक और लिया हुआ है. I just took it because it's white and I wanted a white bag. This cylinder shape अच्छा लगा, ले लिया. Then I got this Kate Spade का silver bag. I liked two bags, but then I ended up buying this because I don't have a nice silver bag and I really liked this, the texture and everything. Then I got this cute beaded polka dot bag from Accessorize. It is so cute. It's beaded. I love it. Then these are from local shops like TK Maxx. So this is one that I got. I like the color and the gold detailing. This is two. It says Ibiza. ये मैंने इसलिए लिया ताकि मैं Ibiza में पहन सकूँ. This nice shell beaded tote bag. I also got like two card holders for Drashti and Miloni. So one is this brown and other is this silver. I think yeah, bags में that's it. Now we are moving on to our last category, which is accessories and makeup and skincare and whatever chotu I liked. Okay, this whole pouch of things that I've got clips. I don't know why, but I just liked. So there's this one beachy flower clip. There is two जो ये already टूट चुका. यहाँ से इसका ये निकल गया क्योंकि जिस तरीके से लाई हूँ. More clips. क्यों भाई? Anyway, then I got this handcuff. I got a few earrings as well. One is this gold. I know I'll style it. Other is beachy red starfish. और ये ना मार्केट था एडिनबरो में जहाँ पे there were like local stalls and this one was made in Scotland. So I really wanted something which was like made वहाँ का and it is so good. It's like a pearl which it's like a shell which has a pearl detail inside and it is silver. I really liked it. It's very beachy and nice. Then again from the same kind of place I got this. This is like real stone. So one and this is very something I know that I can get it in India, but still मैंने ले लिया because I don't know. This is a very cute beachy. It has mirrors. भाई ये तो मैंने बोला आहा ये तो use हो जाएगा. You see the vision and it is like that dropping things which goes, yeah, that. Then very less makeup I got this. I wanted to try this. This is very hyped. Wow ka hair spray that you use before heat styling. I used it there and it's really nice. I got a mini version because I wasn't sure. Then I got this mascara which I have seen a lot and I really wanted because it is nice. इसका wand में दिखाऊंगी बहुत अलग है and I used it there. This is the wand. It's so different and it focuses like on your lashes in a really good way, so I like that. I got this Charlotte Tilbury ka again very famous compact powder, they say it. I got again a mini version because I just wanted to try it out and it's really good, and this is a brand based in UK, so I got it because why not. Then I got this Gisou ka lip gloss in a very nice chocolatey shimmery shade. It's nice. I tried. Then I got this Summer Fridays ka vanilla perfume, like a mini perfume. It's really good. I also got this belt. It's really cool. It's like fringe waist belt and the whole fringe gives like a skirt look. So cool, bhai. I was like, ये तो steel है मेरे लिए. Then मेरी shopping रुक नहीं रही थी, guys. I shopped at the airport. Can you believe at the airport I got Miu Miu ke sunglasses? I love it. I love the shape. I don't have a shape like that. It has a subtle branding here and wow. Then I also एक नहीं मुझे दो लेने थे तो I got YSL के again sunglasses. It also has nice branding over here. I really love the color and I love the style. It looks really good on me is what I feel. So I think that's it. I mean that's a lot of it, but I think I've got everything that I wanted. मुझे मेरी list थी bag, shoes and glasses वो सब मैं almost got everything. One thing I didn't get is my perfume that I wanted, and that perfume is so exclusive and all, and I didn't get it anywhere, like nowhere. But I'm happy with everything that I've got. मैंने एक भी category नहीं छोड़ी है. It's just I am happy. My credit card, my cards are exhausted. My dad, everything is exhausted. I need to take a break now, guys. अगर मैं 2 week बाद दिखूँ फिर से कोई haul करते हुए तो that's me. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me spend my money. And अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे previous vlogs नहीं देखे हैं तो do watch it because it will show a lot of the highlights of my trip. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.